Hi, this is Sharyar, and by profession, I'm a demand planner and a data analyst. And as a data analyst and a demand planner, I deal with huge chunks of data every single day, and which creates a lot of mundane tasks, and which eats up around 2 to 3 hours of my day. So I did some research and I wanted to come up with a very simple automation or any process or any software that will help me automate all of those mundane tasks in a matter of a few clicks. So I came across make.com, which what basically does is that they help us create. It is a no-code software first of all, and it helps me create a business automation workflow. So I'm currently in my self-learning phase, and this session is an entirely demo session. This is my second workflow that I have created. So as a test case, let's assume that I have a wedding photography business, and I have a website on which the customer lands after an initial screening call. Once every package and every amount is decided, the due date is decided, the availability is decided. So once the customer goes onto my website and fills up all the details, it is stored it is stored in a database, and then the data is retrieved to ClickUp. But right now I don't have a website because it's a test case. So basically I've used this tool set multiple variables, which is a module on make.com. So what it does is that we can set all the variables, that what kind of headers do we need, and what variable value will define the input which the customer will be giving me. So this is all the information that the customer has feed in the website, assumingly. So once the data has been fetched on the website, the website is directly linked with ClickUp, which is basically a CRM project management software, and a task is automatically created on ClickUp. Right now, it shows that there is no task open, but once I run this project to test that if this workflow actually works or not, ClickUp will automatically create a task. Once the task is created, ClickUp will send an intimation to Gmail to send an email to the client for a confirmation, which will basically tell that your booking has been confirmed and your due date is this, your package is this, and thank you for booking us as your photographer, and stuff like that. Once that email is sent, then I have used this sleep tool module once again to basically give a delay of 10-15 seconds. You can set it whatever time frame you want to, but I set it to 10 seconds. That after 10 seconds another automated email is sent to the client of the billing, basically, in which it tells that the package that you've selected is this, the total amount is this, looking forward to meeting you, blah blah blah. So once this workflow is completed, and 7 days, a week before, or 7 days or less are left to their actual shoot day. So ClickUp make.com, what basically does is that it calculates it automatically and sends a reminder email to the client, which has the basic information once again, that we are looking forward to meeting you, your shoot is there, as at this date, your package is this, and stuff like that. So let's quickly run this workflow, and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's quickly run this flow, and let's find out that if this business automation workflow actually works or not. So I run the tool once. It fetches the data to ClickUp. Confirmation email is sent. 10-second delay is also fired. And once this is completed, the billing email will also be sent to the email address. So yeah, all of this is done. Let's see that if our task is created on ClickUp. Yep, it is there. Pre-wedding shoot, email, due date, uh, the name, amount paid, and stuff like that. Yes, this is done. So let's see if I have received the email or not. So let's go over here. Your reservation email is here. Hi Shaduran, we are writing you this email to confirm the reservation for the pre-wedding shoot on this date. Thank you for booking with us, and looking forward to meeting you. And the next email is your billing email, and it tells you the package that you have selected, the date, and the total amount that the client has to pay. So let's assume that now only 7 days are left between to their shoot day. So let's run this and find out that if it sends the email once again or not. So yeah, it shows that it has sent an email. So let's go to our Gmail once again and let's see if I have received the email. Yep, here it is. Hi Shadran, we are writing this email to remind you for your reservation of the shoot on November 27, 2024. Looking forward to meeting you. So yeah, the loop is completed. So there are a lot of things that we can do with make.com, and actually sky is the limit when it comes to automation over here. I have been researching about this. There are more than 3000 softwares actually that we can integrate, and a lot of improvements can be done even in this workflow. Like we can schedule a Gmail call, or send a even a WhatsApp reminder message, stuff like that. And we can even automate that once the photography is done, the shoot is done, the pictures have been edited. So we can even automate the auto email send, a link of the Google shared drive link, basically Google Drive shared link, and stuff like that. So I'm still learning in the self-learning phase, and still working on it every single day. And let's see what happens. Thank you guys for taking out time to watch my video.